Hello everyone, welcome to Money Nook. In this video, let's talk about different IT return forms that we have. Firstly, to quickly recap, an income tax return is nothing but a form which is filed by either an individual or a HUF or a business entity with the income tax department at the end of each financial year. It contains details about the total income received from various sources, the profit or loss details, any allowances and deductions that are being claimed, the total tax liability and advance tax details if it is paid, and finally the amount of tax that needs to be paid or the amount of tax that needs to be refunded. Government has provided us 7 different options in order to file our income tax returns. Income tax return 1 to 7. Out of this, the first 4 ITR 1 to 4 are applicable for individuals, whereas the remaining are applicable for companies. So among ITR 1 to 4, how will you choose which one is applicable for you? As you can see on the screen, it is determined by 2 factors. First, your sources of income, and secondly, your total income. There are different sources of income like salary income, income from agriculture or business or professional income, or any other sources such as dividends from the companies, bank interest, etc. etc. So based upon the type of income you may have one or more than one type of income, and your total income you have to choose between ITR 1 to ITR 4. For example, ITR 1 is applicable if you have only salary income, and if you have only one house and you are getting income from only one house, you have an agriculture income less than 5,000 rupees, and you might also have some other sources of income like dividends, interest from bank, etc. etc. And your total income should be less than 50 lakhs. If you satisfy all 5 of these conditions, then you can go ahead and file ITR 1. Whereas if you have on top of all of this, if you have an income from business or profession, then you have to move to ITR 4. Similarly, you have to move to ITR 2 if you have all the listed types of income on the screen except business or professional income. Whereas ITR 3 is for persons who have all the types of income and who are also earning above 50 lakhs. Even if they are earning below 50 lakhs actually, and if they have all the different sources of income, they have to go for ITR 3. So this is how you decide which type of ITR you have to file based on your source of income and your total income. Thanks for watching this video. If you find the content useful, please like this video and please share it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to Money Nook. Thank you and bye-bye.